Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 71 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me? Follow this link here, all the way to the DeAgostini website. Beep. And you too can take out your own subscription for this iconic 1/6 scale car. So let's have a shufty through the magazine. This was the Ford Edsel and other less than successful cars. Yeah, died a death that one, didn't it? Shame really, because I didn't think it was that bad. But there you go. All about different opinions, isn't it? But yeah, it was launched to a massive fanfare and then it just disappeared. And there's the Woody version. Something the Americans did really well was Woodies. I do like a nice Woody car there. It looks effective. This was the Pontiac Aztek, Walter White's car from Breaking Bad, basically. But a really weird looking thing. Today we're going to be putting in the rear passenger compartment partition, so we'll need the whole of the interior that we've been building to put that in. Nice and simple. Click and 3 screws across the base there, so we'll be doing that shortly. And this is what you're going to end up with on your Shelby GT500, closing in this rear section now. Next up, we got the Ford Sierra Cosworth rally car. I remember those in the UK. Didier Auriol and Bernard Ockley, after winning the '88 Corsica Rally. Saw many of them on the streets of London over the years. The old Sierra Cosworths there. And they built them just to homologate them for the rallying, but and that was Ford's dilemma because they banned Group B cars in '86 as being too dangerous. So yeah, and the XR4 x4 double rear spoiler. Yeah. Let's start a bit of assembly for you folks. So we'll bring in the piece we've got today, which is this. This is the compartment there. You got your 3 screw holes and a couple of locating pegs each side. So let's bring in our interior section, folks. This is what we've been building. So we'll spin that upside down, right there, and try and line this up so that we can see what we're doing. And this has got 2 pegs that locate in these holes, so we'll get them in. Like that. And then that will allow all of that to then fall into place. So, okay, and they're going in with PS05s, so let's grab one and get that in place. The usual obligatory bill of oil, folks. I'm not going to fully tighten these down until I've got them all in place, folks. I'm going to go for the middle one. And then the 2 ends, do it that way. And then we can then fully screw it home once we've got all 3 screws in the holes there. Just in case any of them need a little jiggle. They shouldn't do, but you never know. So let's just grab that one. Bink. Pop that straight in there. That's now gone straight in, so we can fully home that one. Now do the middle one, and then do this end one. And that's pulled that all across quite nicely now. I'm just going to spin that over so that we can see what we've got. Now there will be a tinsy-wincy gap until we've got the other side in, and then once the body shell goes on, that will then tighten up a bit. Okay, so that's what we've got today. We're closing this section around now. And then we'll have a seat panel that will go in here that will conceal all of this, folks, okay? So we're going to leave it there today. That's this issue done. Nice and quick, folks. You'll find a lot of these interior Partwork episodes are quite quick to put together. But you do end up with a nice interior at the end of it. So, in the meantime, if you would like to grab this for yourself, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale model. Also, to help me out, you can just click the little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really does help me out. Helps grow the channel. Also, whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring, select all, and you'll get notified of any future video content that is uploaded to the channel, folks. Okay? In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.